In the 9th century, Sigurd the Mighty ruled the Orkney Islands off the coast of Scotland. Like many Vikings, he was ambitious, ruthless, and constantly expanding his power. One day, Sigurd challenged a local Scottish noble, known in the sagas as Mael Brigte the Buck-Toothed. The two sides met in battle, and Sigurd was victorious. Victorious, Sigurd wanted a trophy. He had Mael Brigte beheaded and tied the head to his horse's saddle as proof of his triumph. It was a gruesome symbol of power, meant to show everyone who dared to oppose him. But as Sigurd rode home, something unexpected happened. The severed head bounced against his leg again and again, and then the story takes its strangest turn. According to the saga, one of the dead man's long teeth cut into Sigurd's leg during the ride. What started as a tiny wound soon became infected. In the days before antibiotics, even small injuries could be deadly. The mighty Viking Earl, conqueror of men, was brought down not by a sword, not by an arrow, but by a single tooth from a man he had already defeated. Sigurd's death is one of the strangest recorded in medieval chronicles, a reminder that fate can strike in the most unexpected ways. For all his power and victories, his downfall came from the tiniest detail: a tooth. History may exaggerate, but the story of Sigurd the Mighty shows that sometimes the smallest things can change everything.